if the way you drive your Audi every single day is slowly creating a repair you will never see coming? What if the damage is not mechanical, but learned? What if your Audi is quietly adapting to habits you believe are harmless, and those adaptations are slowly increasing future repair costs? Have you ever wondered why some Audi owners face expensive repairs? Even though they follow maintenance schedules and never abuse their cars, this is where the real problem begins. Modern Audi vehicles almost never fail. Suddenly, what feels sudden to the driver is usually the final stage of a long process that has been building silently in the background. Audi systems are engineered to prioritize refinement, comfort, and emissions compliance above all else. When something is not operating under ideal conditions, the car does not alert the driver immediately. Instead, it adapts quietly. That adaptation keeps the vehicle smooth, calm, and premium, which is exactly why the problem stays invisible. The car feels fine, so the driver assumes everything is fine. But adaptation is not neutral. It has a cost. Over time, systems that constantly compensate begin operating outside their ideal efficiency range. Control modules work harder, actuators cycle more often, and multiple components start aging faster together. This is why warning lights are unreliable indicators of real financial risk. By the time a warning appears, the vehicle may have been compensating for months or even years. And here is the critical point that most Audi owners never realize. By the end of this episode, you will understand why most expensive Audi repairs do not start with a broken part, but with a repeated habit the owner never questioned. These habits are not reckless. They are normal, everyday behaviors that Audi systems interpret as stress. The vehicle responds intelligently, but that intelligence has long-term consequences. Now, before we go further, this is the moment most people skip but should not. If you own an Audi and want to avoid expensive surprises, before warning lights ever appear, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. This series is dedicated to explaining how modern Audi systems really behave, how they learn from daily use, and how owners can reduce long-term repair risk without tuning myths or unnecessary workshop visits. Now let's continue, because in the next part, we are going to break down the specific everyday habits Audi systems silently interpret as harmful and explain why the car never warns you while it is happening. The habits that quietly damage modern Audi vehicles are not extreme, and they are not reckless. In fact, most owners believe these habits are responsible and even beneficial. Short trips, frequent cold starts, gentle acceleration, prolonged idling, and low engine load are all behaviors drivers associate with taking care of their car. The problem is not the intent. The problem is how modern Audi systems interpret these patterns over time. Audi vehicles constantly monitor how they are used. They do not evaluate individual trips in isolation. They evaluate repetition. When the car sees the same pattern day after day, it adapts its internal logic to protect comfort, emissions, and refinement. Throttle mapping becomes softer. Transmission shifts earlier. Emission systems prioritize stability over efficiency. None of this feels wrong to the driver. In fact, it often feels smoother. But this smoothness is created by compensation. Compensation means systems are working around conditions that are not ideal. Over time, that workaround becomes permanent behavior. This is where the damage begins. Components that are designed to operate within a specific temperature range, load range, and response window start spending more time outside those conditions. Carbon buildup increases because systems rarely reach optimal operating temperature. Electrical demand becomes inconsistent because short trips prevent full battery recovery. Control modules continuously adjust parameters to maintain balance. Each adjustment is small and harmless on its own. The problem is accumulation. When accumulation continues for months or years, multiple systems begin aging faster together. This is why damage can occur even when the car has never been abused. The vehicle has been protecting itself too well for too long. Another critical detail most owners miss is that modern Audi systems are designed to avoid alarming the driver unless safety or emissions compliance is at risk. Long-term reliability and repair cost are not triggers for warnings. This creates a false sense of security. The absence of warning lights is interpreted as proof that nothing is wrong. In reality, the car may be operating in a heavily compensated state. By the time a warning finally appears, the system has already reached the end of its tolerance margin. What feels like a sudden failure is actually the result of prolonged adaptation. In the next part, we will explain how Audi owners can recognize when this compensation is happening, and how to identify the signs early without modifying the vehicle or waiting for a warning light.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.